Hello everybody and welcome to the EdgeBolt download tutorial. Yes, I am Markiplier. You'll want to Google TamperMonkey or Bing it, whatever your search engine is, other than like weird privacy browsers that give random results. You'll just want to click the first search result. It'll be tampermonkey.net and have this huge black monkey. You'll see the same huge black monkey to the left of this first get from store green button. Maybe it'll be the second, maybe it'll be in a different place. But the first one that says TamperMonkey and is not red, click that. Then you'll want to why did it do that? Okay. You want to see this get button or install or download, whatever it is. It'll be in this general area, and you want to click it. And click add or OK or download, whatever the prompt says. Click whatever indicates you're going to be downloading it and not cancel. It'll bring you to this page. You want to click the puzzle icon that's in the top right of your browser. Then click manage extensions. Under or next to TamperMonkey, you'll see details or permissions or inspect, something like that. Click that. It's usually just beside the remove button, and there's usually only two buttons near it. You'll see this toggle. It may look a little different on Chrome, maybe a little lower. If you need to, you may need to hold down Control, click F, and type in allow to highlight exactly where that option is, since the list is pretty long on Chrome. You also want to make sure it's enabled. Also, you'll want to pay attention to this switch. This is developer mode. It may be towards the right over here, or maybe more towards the middle, but it'll usually be on the top or left. You'll see it's toggled off by default. You're going to need to toggle it on. Next, you'll want to click the puzzle icon again, that's to the right of the URL bar, and click TamperMonkey. It may just have the icon, may have the name, but just click it and click dashboard. This plus icon that's inside of a box to the left of install user scripts, click that. Do not click this import button from the utilities tab. It doesn't work very well. It'll give you issues with the script later. Click inside of here, or don't. We'll do that later in a later step. You'll see this link right here and another one that's similar to it under. It'll say 1.5 and 2.0. If you don't quite know what that means, open any Edgenuity activity and you'll see it looks like this, or it looks very different. The ones with the purple huge bar at the top and a gray background like this, that is a 1.5 compatible class, not an EdgeX class. If you need EdgeX, you'll see it is white all back here. Pretty sure there's no bar like this, and the UI is much more complex. You'll have many more arrows and much more information on your screen. But once you figure out which one you have, just go ahead and open the URL that's for you. It's in the download channel. It's linked right under this video that you found in the tutorial channel, and you can click it and see both links. And there's a file which you'll follow the exact same steps for. Once you download it and open it in Notepad, of course. Click anywhere inside of this file, and then hold down Control and click A, and then while still holding it down, click C. A while holding down Control. A is in apple, C is in car. Then over here, in this tab you opened off to the side, click inside of any of these lines, hold down Control, and then click A, and then V, and then S. That is A as in apple, V as in vowel, and S as in scowl. Now that you've downloaded it, you'll see there's a lock icon to the left of your URL bar, or on Chrome it'll be toolbars like lines with circles at the end. Click it, and then click cookies and site data, and then over here it'll say cookies. Click it again, and then you want to click each and click remove or delete or clear. A few different words for it, but same idea, same synonyms. it afterwards. You'll want to also, if you're on Firefox, it'll look a little different. It'll say clear cookies and site data. You'll click that and then click OK. Yeah, you'll also want to click site permissions, site settings actually on most browsers, but site permissions it may say, and it'll bring you to a page of all its permissions. Over here, it's a little different from Chrome, but you'll see on Chrome or Brave, it'll have a sound permission. It'll look something like this, usually allow. Default, you want to change it to explicitly allow. Over here, there is no sound, even though such thing exists over here when you click it, if it's actually requesting sound. I'm not sure why. But yeah, it doesn't. Just make sure you have it set to allow. Also, you'll want to reload after clearing that data. And yeah, you'll see you get kicked out. Log back in, and then open any activity, and you'll see the EdgeBolt UI. To learn how to use it, click this question button over here. It'll tell you everything you need to know. Otherwise, you'll want to scroll down, and usually the first thing you want to do to prevent it from being throttled is click, I have to replace the version that I downloaded because the updated version is not released yet. Okay, you'll see an option called background mode and backup API. For background mode, you'll want to enable it, and it'll start playing sound. This is it. You won't hear it, just like you don't hear it here. It's just technically it's playing sound. That way, it does not get throttled in the background. Another thing you need to do to ensure that is to click these top 3 bars or dots, and then click in the top right corner of your browser, and then click settings, and then click the search bar. It may be over here on the left, it may be in the top middle or top right, but click it so you can type in memory. And then you'll see a memory saver of sorts. It may have a few different names. You'll just want to turn it off and then reload so it doesn't get throttled later. You'll see this message. This is the message you get. Background mode does not have sound permission. Edge does not allow you to enable sound permission, like autoplay. There's no way to request it. There's nothing I can fix about it. It's not. Firefox is the same way. So use Chrome or Brave if you want to ensure that this is not going to get throttled and paused basically in the background. So now that you have that information, you want to know how to use this AI fallback, because whenever you try and enable autoexam or autoexam, it's gonna do this. It's gonna say read the tutorial and set up an API key to use autoexam, and over here it's gonna say please log in to redeem the API key. You want to log in. Usually the easiest way to do this is to use Google, but if you want to use just any email, you can do so like that. After you make your account, log in. It'll take you to a dashboard, and this will automatically take you to that dashboard once you've logged in the future. But this first time you open the site, you're going to need to log in or make a new account. After doing so, wait for it to close. It'll usually take about 10 seconds. If it takes longer, complain about it. Complain about it in the service so we can help you. If it works like intended, it'll close the tab after it redeems the API key. Once it's redeemed, you'll want to try again to enable it, and it'll stay enabled for AI fallback or autoexam and autoexam and auto assignment. You can enable any of those and not have that message. If for whatever reason you can't do that, backup API is we'll use a no login version of an AI LLM API, and that way you can still use the script, although it does have more downtime. It is down currently as I speak, and it's not as accurate. And it's not compatible with auto notes since the AI doesn't follow instructions as well. So you won't have automatic summarization of your notes if you choose to do that. But one last thing to mention, this kill switch over here, it's just making sure the script isn't expired. There's nothing to worry about with it. And yeah, enjoy the script.